And new tonight, no sugarcoating. The NAACP says enough is enough. No more violating student civil rights, no more zip ties, and no more arrests for peaceful protests.
Call it a list of demands. Atlanta News First anchor Tori Cooper is live from Emory University. And Tori, you are the only reporter that the president of the NAACP spoke with today. He's demanding Emory change its policies.
He is. He wants it changed, Alan, and he wants to ensure that this never happens again to students protesting right here on campus.
The response was completely unnecessary. The militarization of law enforcement to respond to a First Amendment peaceful protest.
This is how Emory alum, attorney, and president of the NAACP in Atlanta, Gerald Griggs, felt after watching recently released body camera video showing Atlanta police officers and Georgia State Patrol responding to students protesting the war in Gaza on the campus of Emory University.
In the city of Atlanta, in the birthplace of civil rights, you should not weaponize law enforcement against peaceful protesters, period, without expecting to hear from the NAACP.
Griggs says during a sit-down conversation Tuesday, he made it very clear to Emory University President Gregory Fenves that the response to students protesting on campus was mishandled. What was his response to all this?
His response was that because of the encampments, he thought it was time for the encampments to be removed.
Griggs claims there is now an investigation into who called Georgia State Patrol, who was seen in this video tasing students. Griggs says Emory is working to see what procedures can be put in place to ensure this level of response to a protest never happens again. Earlier this month, both students and faculty from the Emory School of Arts and Sciences voted no confidence in Fenves. And now it's up to the Board of Trustees to decide if he stays in his role.
We want to make sure that, one, appropriate training happens for the administration. Two, the voices of the students is centered in what they were communicating in their First Amendment right. And then three, policies change so this never happens again.
Now, we reached out to Emory University to get details on the meeting between Griggs and Fenves that took place today, as well as a timeline on when we can expect to see a decision from the Board of Trustees on whether or not Fenves will get to keep his position here as the university president. We did not hear back as of news time, but I did just check, and hopefully we will hear back by tomorrow. And if we do, we'll share it with you right here on Atlanta News First. Reporting live from Emory University tonight, I'm Tori Cooper, Atlanta News First.
New tonight.